Big rock. Owned! So what I will do is this, just in case you fall through. You're good. Come on, that's... Dude, there's lots of ice there. Trust me. See? Look. Now you can see how thick it is on the edge. The idea is not to screw around. What are you doing?
Going around the other way. Did you make a snow angel?
I did. Didn't you see me?
No, Dick, get my boat.
Snow angel.
No way that's you. That's someone way shorter than you.
Boat.
Turn around. You're
Yeah, I didn't do it. I was breaking some good trail there.
I was going to put on my plastic cracks back on, but I figured the heat that was supposed to be here today wouldn't be bad.
Wow! Oops!
Stock is 3 pounds, 10 ounces.
Something like that.
And mine, I waited before leaving the house.
Whoa! Deep snow out here for me, man. That looks cool. Oh, that doesn't. Come on, Chevy, come on! Oh, I'm out. Big rock. Owned!
It's not mine, I don't want to use it.
That's a tree.
Don't think about the metal, it's got good traction.
Oh, this one's got metal tracks, eh?
Yep.
That's cool.
I've got those.
Oh!
And then the plastic on the fluffy stuff.
Okay, yeah. That would make sense. It's cool to see a bunch of them, you know? It's definitely neat to see a group of blizzards, eh? Not something we've seen at this point.
Yeah, try calling me with your Chevy.
Try what?
It's not mine.
Who's up this hill?
What?
Nice. Rip's pretty good. And you're running 380s, eh, Aaron? Oh, really?
Damn it. No matter what I drive, it's always some kind of tree-like thing.
It's always upside down.
Yeah.
Oh. Are you down to the dirt? Yeah, keep digging. Oh! That was awesome. Tough weeds. Oh!
Oh, no, it didn't blow a bead. Like that open field, I'll throw a 3-cell in there for you. So you can see it. But you can drive that one.
Hey, is that a wind? No, no, no. It's too funny because it so looks like it. I think we're braking here. Hey, is this a pit stop, yeah?
You got caught in my wheel.
Excellent. That's wicked. Cool, man. A little mess. Awesome.
You need to get yours running.
Yeah, for sure. That's cool stuff.
50 kg motors. I'll just around over 35.
I think it'd be too fast for that one. You know how I
Nice. Rip it up, eh? Oh.
Come back around again, Tyler. I just had an idea.
Sick.
Jump it. Yeah.
Nice. Jump it. Excellent. That was sick. I'm stuck. Right away I get stuck. Look, I plugged up the road. I suck. I suck. Oh. There you go. Oh, I did it again.
Come on, Ted. That's it. No more bullshit.
You're gonna stay on the road.
I even thought about retrofitting reach things like that.
Hey,
Bet you we can find their way up Rope Hill.
What?
Bet you we can find their way up
Dude,
Rope
I'm
Hill.
totally game for Rope Hill.
You can.
This is what it takes sometimes. You gotta help your trail friend. You become trail partners. Yep. Come on, woo! Done. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Woo!
Oh, that's right.
Come on. Let's see how we do this. Grab his hair.
What hair?
All right. Come on, Chevy. Stuck. Crap. Check it out.
Holy shit, he's up there.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a lot of work.
That's the alternate. You got to turn left and go around. It's a tricky line, even with a
Backing
truck.
out.
What? Aren't you going for the top?
It's a long way to walk.
I'm gonna have to walk all
Yeah.
the way.
You can do it. The top of this has been modified now. You can drive right out of it.
At least I only flipped over like right there. That's not too
Did
bad.
you go and tell them to go and push over?
I don't think it's really easy to push these things over.
Yeah, it's nice.
True, eh?
Hey, Ted, let's see each other.
Nice job,
get the
man.
Chevy
That was
up there.
good.
He said that I definitely should have put my plastic truck back on.
Yeah?
So it'd be faster.
Oh. So what do they reckon the metal ones for?
Oh, they don't. They just.
They don't?
They're better for climbing and stuff like that.
Oh,
So
yeah.
if I had bigger motors, they'd be okay. Like I'm all stock except for the I put a saber tooth in it,
Yeah.
so I can drive it with this.
That's nice. You found the stick, Kyle. There you go. Oh, that's sweet, man. That's a really nice job. Now, can I drive up it, Aaron? Probably not, eh? It's probably going to be too soft. Too soft and too deep. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you guys have matted it down enough. Come on, Chevy.
I'll get them stuck behind
Whoa, whoa, look out, I'll kick you right in the face. Hey, keep going, yeah.
Well, I can't see when you're in front of me.
That's all right, turn right, go, yeah, straight up.
Turn right, you mean left.
Straight, let me go, yeah. Totally gonna drive right out of here.